Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your channel for forever. Alright, so what you have to do, you have to go to your channel and then hit the YouTube studio. Alright, make sure the channels are, these are the channels you want to delete. Alright, so what you have to do, go to the YouTube studio, and then after going to the studio, go to the settings. And once you go to the setting, now you have to go to the advanced permission. No, just give me 1 second. The channel, yeah, you have to go to the channel and go to the advanced setting. Once you go to the advanced setting, you can see that the what you have to do, just scroll all the way down and remove YouTube content. So once you hit the remove YouTube content, they will ask you to log into the with the password. All right, so it will log in, and then what is going to be what you want to do. So they will give you a option like I want to hide my channel, or you want to delete, or something happen in your life, and then you can just click here and just go through this one, and it will say delete my content. So once you hit the delete my content, you just have to type your email. Once you type your email, then delete my content, and that's how you are going to delete. I mean, I don't want to delete, but I can show you guys uh, you know Alright, so once you put the and then hit the delete, and it's showing your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually it takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of the days. So alright, this is how you are going to delete, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next videos.